Okay, and for the last part of this module, so we will be discussing about careers in finance. Okay, so here, basically, in landing a job in the finance or in the field of finance, there are certain requirements and qualifications that needs to be met. Okay, so of course, we have for an undergraduate college degree. So if at a minimum, when they are looking for work in the financial industry, so here normally there are other finance jobs which only require even an undergraduate degree. Okay, so for example, but of course, in the field or in the actual field, most likely they are preferring to have a candidate which are of course graduate, okay, of a particular or related course or degree, such as business degrees, okay, before they can be accepted, okay, in the job. Okay, so basically, again, you have to have at least a minimum college degree that is related to business or more preferably in finance. Okay, for the advanced degrees, so they are you can have your master's degree perhaps in business. Okay, and but that is not uncommon to find a master's degree and even PhD in the variety of fields and areas. So actually, if you have higher or advanced degrees, so this is considered to be an advantage over that of college degree candidate. Okay, so aside from that, there are also a number of finance-related professional designations that you can get and certifications, okay, in which you can add a certain title to your name. So they may be helpful as well in landing a good job in finance. So these include designations of having certified or by a chartered financial analyst or certified financial analyst, certified financial planner, or certified public accountant. Okay, so all of this can be added as a title to your name. So this is also an advantage over the other qualifications or the minimum qualifications that you may have. So the next question is where to find finance jobs after having qualified with the requirements. So the financial world is so large, and for most part, this is global in nature. So this means that there are finance jobs to be found in every city around the world. So specifically, jobs in financial industry are often found in cities which are commonly thought of as international financial centers. But we can also have it in other cities and countries as well. But these are the most common and famous, okay, when it comes to jobs in financial industry. So that is found in New York, London, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Dubai, and Zurich. Okay, so these are considered to be the international financial centers. Okay, so aside from those countries, you can also find finance jobs in banks, money management firms, equity firms, or even real estate firms, or even in other organizations such as business firm, even in a school So they need someone who will take charge of their finances. So you can also land a job there. Okay. So the next will be the specific job opportunities and the most common job opportunities in the field of finance. So the first one is being a financial advisor. So here, a financial advisor is considered to be a planning partner for financial investment about your money, how you save it, how to use it, especially in times of need in the future. So there are types of accounts that you need to choose, whichever that may fit your objectives and as well as your income. So there are also different kinds of insurance that you can have or you can purchase, and even tax planning is part of the job of a financial advisor. Okay, so normally you can have it from the different insurance companies. Okay, so the financial advisor is also considered to be an educator because one of their tasks is to help their clients understand what is involved in meeting their future goals. So this includes financial topics, budgeting, saving, complex investment, insurance, and even tax matters. So here, before a client will actually decide on what type of product they will purchase or what type of insurance product they will purchase, the financial advisor must explain all of these things clearly to the client. Okay, so that when things or when a particular requirement or a particular what do you call this qualification, for example, have been met by the client, then they will be able to claim any insurance that is due to them. Okay, so that is the job of the financial advisor. Okay, so the next is being a financial analyst. So here, a financial analyst are considered to be the researchers in terms of macro and microeconomic conditions, along with company fundamentals to make business, the sector, and the industry recommendations. So here, if you are a financial analyst, this is a more broad type of task compared to that of a financial advisor, because under financial analyst you have to have a large amount of knowledge, or you must be knowledgeable enough to provide recommendations for sound economic business decisions for those that needs it. Okay, so they will rely on your expert advice or suggestion. So this will make or break their future because we are talking about business sector or an industry. Okay, so you have to be very careful, and those who are having this type of job are actually those who have been in the field of finance for a long period of time with long years of experience in finance, business, and related field as well. Okay, so they are considered to be expert already. So next is, okay, for the financial analysts, we have they must be aware of the current developments in the field of their specializations, so that they will make those recommendations and conclusions with reliability and of course it must be timely. Okay, so there are different types of financial analyst jobs that you can land on. So you can become an economist, a strategist, or quant. So quant is these are someone who creates mathematical models which are designed to predict market activity. So again, financial analyst is some kind of an expert level job in the field of finance. Okay, the next job opportunity is being a financial media. So here, financial media workers, they take their knowledge and experience in financial and economic realms and write it or speak it. Okay, so this is through vlogs or blogs, written or video. Okay, this is how they uh, share their knowledge or expertise to those who wants to learn, okay, finance terms or techniques and so on. So they are excellent in communicating skills or in communication skills, as well as a firm understanding, of course, of the financial world to be able to share knowledge of finance with reliability and concisely, okay, to those who are who wants to learn. Okay, normally they have this channels, maybe in YouTube or other media, social media platforms. You can also have it in written form. So they may have websites or ebook or podcasts, okay, and the like. This is how they share their knowledge. So you have to be an expert as well in order for you to become a financial media. So what your experience, I mean, in the field of business will be your capital in sharing what you have learned and experienced, okay, to your viewers or readers. So here, we have the different types of financial media jobs. So you can have investment writing or on-air commentator as well. Okay, if you have watched, for example, in a particular news channel, so they have their a certain segment where they talk about investment, business, and so on. So a financial media can become their resource speaker to share about their thoughts and experience and expertise about the matter. Okay, so the next job opportunity in finance is to become a portfolio manager. So here, a portfolio manager is a person who or group of people that are responsible for investing the assets and implementing investing strategies. So here, what they do is they are the ones who are handling the investment of other people or in behalf of other people. So they are the ones who invest. They are the ones who are suggesting whether to buy or sell shares or what to do about the investment. They also are the ones who analyze, okay, the performance of the investment and so on. Okay, so you also have to be well versed of the different techniques, terminologies, and has enough experience in investing to become a portfolio manager. Okay, so portfolio managers usually they are experienced investors. They can also, or they are also, or they may be brokers or traders with strong backgrounds in financial management and has a track records of sustained success in the field of investing and finance. Okay, so these are the job opportunities that is available for you in the field of finance.